What is reading stamina? Reading stamina means being able to read for longer and longer without stopping. It's like building strong muscles, but for your brain, and as a reader, we need those muscles. Reading stamina helps you get better at reading and helps you enjoy stories more. Little by little, you'll build your stamina up over time. At first, you might only read for 2 to 3 minutes, and that's okay. But if you practice every day, you can read longer and longer. You might be building stamina all on your own or with your class at school. The first thing is to get started right away. Grab your book and get reading. We also want to stay in one spot so that we can get comfortable with our book. Reading at level 0 means we're reading with the voice in our head, and we're going to read the whole time, even if it's just the pictures. We want to build our stamina over time and make sure that we're reading with stamina in mind. Each day, you'll get a little bit stronger. Your teacher might even use a timer to see how your stamina can grow, or a stamina building chart so you can see your progress build over time. Reading stamina helps you get better at reading and enjoy it more. You'll be able to read books for longer, and you'll even forget the timer is on because you'll be having so much fun. What is your reading stamina goal for today? Let me know in the comments below. Let's get ready to read to self and grow those reading muscles and build our stamina together.